So in this video, you'll learn how to install Spotify Music on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So begin by opening the Google Play Store. And then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Spotify Music and then search. You should see it listed in the search results. So you want to tap on it to select it. And then from here in the app details, just tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been downloaded onto your phone, tap on open to launch it, or you can go locate it in the home screen or apps drawer and then select it from there and tap on the app icon to launch Spotify. Sign in or create a new account and then you can start listening to music using Spotify. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.